Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check it out how to create these awesome audio spectrums in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, first step, I'm going to switch from fill to stroke. I'm going to be on the stroke, click on the stroke. I'm going to go to the stroke, increase the stroke thickness somewhere around 4. I'm going to select the pen tool, press and hold shift, and create a line. Okay, I'm also gonna increase the stroke thickness even more, something like 10. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it down, also press Shift to isolate it. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. Select both, right click, group. And now go and select the rotate tool. Double click on the rotate tool and type in 4 degrees, click on copy, and from here press Ctrl D or long press Ctrl D until it goes round and round. And it should look something like this. I'm gonna select all, right click and group. From here, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or you can go to edit and paste in front. This way it's gonna paste another copy on front. I'm gonna recolor this. I gotta go and select a blue color this time, and I gotta go to the stroke and decrease the stroke. I'm gonna go with 5. And I'm gonna rotate this until it goes, as you can see here, here it goes to the end, to the black line, but as you can see here, it doesn't. So I still gonna need to rotate even more, like so. Actually, I'm gonna increase the stroke thickness a little more. There we go. I'm gonna select the blue, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F again. And I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna go with an orange, go to the stroke options. From 6, I gotta go down to 2. Actually, I'm gonna go down to 3. And I'm gonna rotate this like so. From now, I'm gonna select a different color. I'm gonna go with a green maybe. And I'm gonna select the pen tool. And from here, I'm gonna start creating these wavy lines around the circle. So I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna pull it. And I'm gonna go up and down. And it should look something like this. And I'm gonna do this 3 more times, and the main idea is to make these overlap each other. So basically the second one, for example, I'm gonna start from here already, and I'm gonna go out here. And it looks something like this. Now I'm curious how it's gonna turn these out. Okay, I'm gonna still need to expand these lines, you know, the black, blue, and orange. So I'm gonna select all these 3. I'm gonna go to Object and Expand. Click OK. I'm going to select one of these wavy lines. And I'm gonna press and hold Shift and select the black. Press and hold Shift plus M, or you can go and select the Shape Builder tool here. And what I'm gonna do is press and hold Alt and delete these black lines. See that? And now I can delete these green lines. I'm gonna select this one and press and hold Shift and select the blue, press Shift plus M, press and hold Alt and start deleting. And it starts to come together. I'm gonna select all of it and recolor it. And basically this is how you make the audio spectrum in Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.